Why buy one home when you can buy 4? In a leafy, affluent area of Encino, California, the 2.5-acre compound at 17407 Rancho Street, aka 4750 Encino Avenue, is further proof that LA's San Fernando Valley is coveted territory. Behind the gates of the sprawling property are, count them, 4 discrete homes, boasting 11 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms. The 6-bedroom, timber-framed main residence dates to the 1930s and is arranged around an interior courtyard with a fountain and an outdoor fireplace. Throughout are vaulted wood-beamed ceilings, hand-hewn oak and pine floorboards, and a handful of fireplaces. Original features include a Prohibition-era pub with hidden shelves, while a 3-story tower was added by the current owner. Other additions include a 65-foot pool with a nearby hot tub and changing cabana, and a picturesque pond traversed by a wooden bridge. The family kitchen is stocked with European appliances, and there's a butler's kitchen for large events and making messes. Elsewhere are ample living and dining rooms, a wood-paneled library, a game room, and an art studio. A neighboring property with a 1957 3-bedroom residence has been incorporated into the estate. The exposed wood ceilings and asymmetrical double-sided stone fireplace were preserved in an extensive overhaul of the nearly 2,800 square foot mid-century ranch-style home, while the garage was converted to a recording studio. There are 2 more guest cottages, one of them on the lushly planted shore of the pond, and the other housed within a converted barn. Rancho Street compound is in the heart of suburban Los Angeles. The owner has long kept alpacas and horses. In the last few years, a bull named Felix was added to the menagerie. The barn includes a stabling block and a bunk room. A fenced turnout keeps the animals from roaming about the estate's manicured grounds, which includes several areas with pizza ovens and barbecues. Of course, all this in one of LA's most sought-after neighborhoods does not come cheap. The one-of-a-kind compound was last available on the open market in late 2023, with an asking price just shy of $30 million. Gwen Banta, Patricia Hodson, and TJ Paradise of Sotheby's International Realty held the listing.